You pull over, car's not moving. You panic. But what if I told you you might be able to fix it yourself with no experience, no mechanic, and no drama? Let's start with the flat tire. Turns out you might not need a pit crew, just a jack, a wheel brace, and your manual. Yeah, that thing in your glove box. But here's the catch. On a freeway, for your own safety, stay in the car and phone for help. Anywhere else, follow the manual step by step. If anything feels off, stop. Roadside assistance might be your best bet. But what if your car won't start at all? Dead battery, no lights, no sound. If it's an old car, you might get away with a jump start. Red to red, black to bare metal, in that order. Start the donor car, then yours. But modern cars, they're a bit riskier. Try a circuit and you're in real trouble. If you're unsure, don't guess. Call for help. Okay, so your car's running, but can you actually see where you're going? When the wipers streak in rainy weather, it's not just frustrating, it's unsafe. Lift the arm, pinch the clip, slide out the blade, snap in the new one. Done. For non-standard blades, it might be time to take it into the shop. Next up, fix number 4's an easy win. One busted headlight and suddenly you're invisible, or waiting for a fine to happen. Some bulbs twist out easy, others are buried behind panels, clips, and wires. If it looks complex, hand it to a pro. It'll be better than driving blind. There you go. 4 car problems you might be able to fix if you know what you're doing. But the smartest move, know your limits. And if you have Youi comprehensive car insurance, roadside assistance comes standard to help when the unexpected happens. Into straightforward explainers like this, hit subscribe for more.